The anticipation sparkles in the eyes of the little green frog as he clutches the farm invitation tightly. The trio ventures through the entrance, their hearts brimming with curiosity and wonder at the new sights awaiting them. The air is filled with the sounds of farm life, as creatures big and small go about their day within the yards. A simple mistake unleashes chaos as the animals take the opportunity for a taste of freedom, dashing out of the gate in a frenzy. With worried brows, they look out at the yard before them, a puzzle of runaway animals that need there to be encouraged back to safety. A strategy takes shape after they talk, a plan forming to entice the animals with the promise of delicious food. Laughter fills the air as a mishap leads to the animals' swapped pens, the animals mingling in an unexpected jumble. Energized by the challenge, they pivot their approach, adapting with agility to the unfolding twist of mixed-up pens and merry chaos. A sense of accomplishment radiates as teamwork prevails, guiding the wayward animals back to their familiar yards with gentle persuasion. Bonds formed in crisis glow brightly as the trio basks in the glow of their victory, united in the lessons of teamwork and friendship learned on the farm.